How to multiply fractions. Lagyan natin ng over 1. Then start multiplying. 3 times 5, it's 15 over 4 times 1, 4. Since improper fraction man yan, i-convert yan sa mixed number. 4, 3, and 3/4. Bakit 3 and 3/4? Kasi, pag i-multiply natin ang 4 times 3, that's 12. Plus 3, 15. Kaya nagiging 15/4. Letter B. Since mixed number ito, i-convert muna natin yan sa improper fraction. So, first, copy this. Two times 3 times 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5/3. Siyempre, huwag kalimutan. Numerator times another numerator. We have 35 over. Then 2 times 3, that's 6. So, convert natin yan sa mixed number. Yan ay magiging, okay. Mag-skip count this, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, lumagpas na. So, meaning 5 lang. 5. So, 5 times 6, that's 30. Merong sobra na 5. 5 over 6. Yung final answer natin. Kasi 6 times 5, 30. 30 plus 5, 35. Kaya nagiging 35 over 6. Nine times 1. 10 times 5. Since wala mang common factor yan kasi yung mga factors ng 9 are 1, 3, and 9. Ito namang 50, ang mga factors niyan, 1, 2, 5, 10, 25. So, 1 lang talaga ang common factor ng 9 at 50. Therefore, simplified 4 na to. Simplified. No need na yan i-reduce to lowest term kasi reduced form naman ito. 9 over 50. Dito tayo sa, ito kayang 5, 6 times 6, 5. 0 kaya ito? Or equal kaya sila? Let's try to find out. 5 times 6, we have 30. 6 times 5 over 30. Or 30 divided by 30 or 30 divided by itself, we have 1. Okay?